I'm Laura, and I'm part of the QuPath team. And the truth is, I don't know enough about QuPath. Don't worry, my boss knows. I've been doing most of my research in image analysis using either MATLAB or Python and just about getting by with the most basic QuPath skills. However, this needs to change. I need to master this software to be a better team player. But because I've always been a bit afraid of the learning curve, I've devised it like a game. I will be starting a vlogging series of my journey from zero to QuPath Hero, where I will go from the very basics to being able to create my own extension. If you're in the same situation as me, or maybe you're a middle user that wants to go further, or maybe you're a master but want to help other users, I hope you may join me in my journey and suffer with me all the common frustrations that come with learning a new skill. So what's the plan? Well, first we will be using the docs a lot. They will be our mentor in the beginning of our journey. We will start with the getting started topics, how to install QuPath, deal with images, opening them, closing them, creating projects, and making annotations. We will go through these quite fast because they are the only things I actually know how to do well. But after we know the basic workings of QuPath, we will start training ourselves for the harder tasks by learning how to do the basic tasks in the docs, like stain separation, cell detection, classification, measurements. This will be particularly useful for beginners, and don't worry about feeling stupid while learning because I will probably be just as lost as you. Once we have mastered these basic tasks, we will attempt to create a full image analysis pipeline on our own without help from the docs. Hopefully, it won't be too hard. But you may be thinking, what happens when we reach the end of the docs? Who will help us then? Great question. I don't know. We will have to learn how to search for answers in the forums from previous learners, and we will start asking for help ourselves. By that point, I will start uploading open-ended videos asking others for help or for tricks to deal with the more difficult tasks. However, before long, we will realize that to tackle the bigger, more difficult tasks, we will need to start writing our own QuPath codes. Now, I know absolutely no Java, so it will mean learning that from zero as well. It will probably be quite frustrating, but hopefully we will have help from other users. And it will be worth it because I have a lot of project ideas that users have mentioned wanting, like being able to export measurements in custom ways, overlaying images, implemented histogram-based thresholds, and more fun things. And finally, I hope you will join me as crew or as mentors when I create my own big thing, maybe a new plugin or a new extension. My background is actually in pathology registration and color-based analysis, so maybe we could create a big immunoscoring extension together. I hope you like the idea and join us in this journey from zero to QuPath Hero. See you soon!